We stayed in the airport, Miami Airport Hotel, in Miami International Airport Hotel last night. It's nothing luxurious, but it was really, really handy, and very clean and tidy and quiet. And, I mean, it was cheap for me, I didn't pay for it. Miss No Cruise Control paid. I think it was quite expensive. You're paying for the convenience of having it just inside the terminal. And we like the convenience. We got a transfer from the airport to the ship with Celebrity. I was expecting a bus, but it was an Uber that they put us in, paid for. We were in there with a lovely lady from Germany. He put us straight to the ship. Luggage was taken away from us straight away. Very efficient. Walked into Celebrity's own cruise terminal. We checked in. I mean, most of the check-in's done on the app online. Sorry, my hair's all blown. Check-in online on the app. We finished our check-in with people in the terminal. First of all, went through security, hand luggage. Then to check-in, where they just checked your esters and such like. You could show them an electronic version, that's fine. And then we were let on. Yeah, really quick check-in and embarkation, which is done all the better because the cruise line have the terminal to themselves. We're now sat in the rooftop garden having a drink, watching the Red Bull Air Race from Cork in 2016, random, just chilling out. We'll go back to our cabin in a minute to do the safety video. We've already been to our muster station, that's the club. We've gone to the Sunset Bar and had a drink, and we also had a drink on the magic carpet. We have the classic drinks package. So drinks under $10 I think are included. And you can get things like frozen pina coladas, strawberry daiquiris. You can't really get the specific kind of hotter cocktails that each bar has their own specific collection. But with Celebrity, you just pay the difference if you do order a drink, so it's more than $10. It's Captain Gate. On the PA, not in person.
Please note, even if you completed the safety briefing video on your paper DVD or in the Celebrity Cruises app, all guests are still required to physically present themselves at their designated assigned assembly stations.
Get there a bit early, it does fill up quickly. All right, we also